How to show gallery, images, and stories on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. From the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on Wallpaper and Style. Then tap on the left panel. After that, tap on the widget panel here. From the pop-up, we scroll down and select Gallery. Then tap on Images and Stories. And from here, tap on the Start button. In here, you can choose a particular image, or you can select Album. Here you can select Images. So go down and select all the images that you want to use. This will rotate. So it will rotate within the widget right there. And then tap on Done. Now if we go to the lock screen, you can see the widget right here. It will periodically switches or rotate the images from your gallery. So because this spot here is blank, so that's why it's showing blank right there. But from time to time, this widget will get updated. Another thing that we can do is we select an album. So we go back into Wallpaper and tap on that widget. And here we tap on it and choose Select Album. And then you can select one of the available albums. And then tap on Done. And tap on Done. And that's it. So this images in this widget here is not static. It will keep updating after a period of time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.